Welcome to our special sports talk show. I'm Jake.
And I'm Mike. Today, we're talking about the Pro Bowl 2025, the big event happening in the US. Football fans are excited.
That's right, the Pro Bowl is always fun. It's not just about competition, but also entertainment. This year, we've seen some great plays and unforgettable moments.
Absolutely. Let's talk about the AFC team first. They have some of the best quarterbacks and wide receivers. Who stood out for you, Jake?
I think Patrick Mahomes was fantastic. His passing accuracy was impressive. He connected well with his receivers, especially Tyreek Hill. The chemistry between them was clear, and it made a big difference. Mahomes also showed his ability to scramble and extend plays, which made it difficult for the NFC defense to stop him.
Yes, and don't forget Josh Allen. He played aggressively and made some deep throws. The AFC offense looked strong, and their offensive line provided great protection, giving the quarterbacks plenty of time to make plays. Allen also showed off his mobility, escaping pressure and making plays on the run.
The AFC defense also performed well. Myles Garrett had some big tackles, and the secondary defended well against the NFC's passing game. I was really impressed with the way they read the game and anticipated the NFC's moves. Derwin James had an excellent game, breaking up key passes and forcing a fumble in the second quarter.
Speaking of NFC, they had great talent too. Jalen Hurts played well, showing his mobility and strong arm. He escaped pressure several times and extended plays when the defense seemed to have him locked down. One of his best plays was a deep throw to Justin Jefferson, who made an incredible one-handed catch.
Right, he made some great runs and accurate throws. And Christian McCaffrey was incredible in the running game, breaking tackles and gaining extra yards. He showed why he's one of the best all-purpose backs in the league. His versatility helped the NFC move the ball downfield efficiently.
The NFC defense had some good moments too. Micah Parsons had a sack, and Jalen Ramsey made a key interception. Ramsey's ability to read the quarterback and position himself perfectly was a game changer. He jumped in front of Stefon Diggs for a crucial pick that led to a touchdown for the NFC.
That interception was crucial. It gave the NFC a chance to close the score gap. And we can't forget about Aaron Donald. Even though it's an all-star game, he still dominated the line of scrimmage and put pressure on the AFC quarterbacks. His ability to collapse the pocket forced Mahomes into making quick, pressured throws.
Let's talk about some of the big plays from the game. One of the best moments was in the third quarter when AFC ran a trick play. Mahomes lateraled the ball to Derrick Henry, who then threw a 20-yard pass to Travis Kelce for a touchdown.
That was an incredible play. And on the NFC side, there was an exciting kick return from Deebo Samuel. He weaved through defenders and nearly took it all the way to the end zone, setting up a touchdown on the next play.
Let's talk about the atmosphere. The stadium was packed and the fans were energetic. The halftime show was exciting too, with live performances that got everyone pumped up. The crowd really got into the game, making the event feel even bigger.
Yes, the Pro Bowl is not just a game, it's a celebration. The skills challenges before the game were also fun to watch. The precision passing challenge and the fastest man competition were thrilling. Mahomes and Allen went head-to-head in a passing challenge, with Mahomes barely edging out the win.
Agreed, and the dodgeball event was entertaining as well. Seeing NFL stars play in a different way is always a highlight of the weekend. It adds a fun, lighthearted element to the event that players and fans enjoy.
Now, let's discuss the format. There has been a lot of debate about whether the Pro Bowl should stay the same or change. Some say it's not competitive enough. What do you think?
That's a good question. Some fans miss the intense competition, but others enjoy the relaxed and entertaining style. Maybe they could make it more engaging by adding new challenges or tweaking the rules to increase competitiveness. One suggestion has been to add a flag football tournament featuring retired legends against current players.
I agree. They could also experiment with new team formats, like mixing AFC and NFC players or having a draft-style selection for teams. Some have suggested letting fans vote for custom matchups, which could add an extra layer of excitement.
That would be interesting. Anyway, the Pro Bowl remains a great way to showcase talent and bring fans together. The league should keep evolving it to make it even better. One thing's for sure, this year's game was full of action, and fans got to see some amazing plays.
Absolutely. Well, that's all for today's show. We covered a lot, from standout players to game analysis and potential changes. It was a thrilling game, and we can't wait to see what next year's Pro Bowl will bring.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll be back next time with more football talk. Until then, keep enjoying the game.
See you next time on our Sports Talk Show.